What's going on, y'all? Riley here from Mad Vapes of Easily. We're coming at you another video today. Talk about another new product that we've got in the shop. This one's actually made by Joytech. It is called the EGO AIO Eco or Eco. We're gonna go Eco. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very small device. It's actually smaller than the original EGO AIO was. The EGO AIO was probably twice the diameter of this one. It's a little bit fatter. Especially around the tank and everything. It definitely was a little bit bigger, had a little bit bigger profile to it. But this one is the newest thing that they've come out with. It's very similar to the Backpack, which I shot a video on last week. So if you haven't seen that one, I suggest you go look at it as well, because it's this in a box form, and it actually takes 2 AA batteries. But back to this one. Like I said, it's very similar. The way it works is almost exactly the same. You're going to unscrew, juice goes down through here, not in the center. You'll drink it or it'll leak, either or. Glass will come off, and then you can unscrew here. That's actually your coil. So that's the piece you're going to replace. As you can tell, it's a very small coil. You're not going to be running 1,000 watts out of this thing or by any means or anything like that. It's for the thinner juices. It's going to be good with like a 70-30. You could probably work with an 80-20, but I would definitely not go 90-10. 80-20 would be pushing it, but I would suggest go 70-30 or maybe even less. As far as how it works, 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, the same as pretty much everything else. Probably a very good tank for CBD as well. So if you're using a water-soluble or vape drip or something like that, this would be something that would work really well because it's not going to burn it overly hot. You're not going to burn up that coil using the CBD oil like you would with something a little bit higher wattage. So would work really well for that as well. That's pretty much it for the device. We'll take a look inside the box, see what's going on here. Yeah, so there's that flavor card. It's going to show you all the stuff that's good to run it in. So VG ratio, it says don't go past 70 on here. It's the highest one that they have listed. And that's going to be more for cloud. Of course, the more VG you have, the more clouds you're going to get. The less VG you have, the more flavor you're going to get. This being a smaller device, I doubt anybody's going to be using this for cloud production. So get the lowest amount of VG that you can find in your shop, preferably this shop. But if you don't live in the area, I understand why you don't come to us. Additionally, you're going to have a warranty card. You're going to have this big pamphlet that if you've ever owned a Joytech product, you understand that they pretty much give you a whole poster of stuff to look at and read, but it's written in the smallest font possible, so you might need to get a magnifying glass. I have better than perfect vision, and I can't read it sometimes, so I understand. Additionally, you're going to get your charge cable, micro USB, same as always. Just comes with the cord, doesn't come with the brick. You're going to have an extra coil and extra O-rings and such. Other than that, that's pretty much all there is to know about this little Eco. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions about the Joytech EGO AIO Eco, you guys know the drill. Make sure you leave in the comment section below. We do appreciate you watching the video. We hope to see you in the shop sometime.